Hey everybody, it's Amber Fox here again with my daughter Rachel, who wanted to be in my video, didn't she? Yeah, she's a little shy, so she probably will not talk, but she wanted to be in the video, so I told her she could. Anyway, today I wanted to shoot a quick little video to talk to you about why I'm choosing to do what I'm doing and work towards being a stay-at-home mom. A quick little story. The last probably 2 or 3 weeks, almost every day in a row, my mom watches my kids for me. The 2 older ones go to school, but she watches the baby all day, and she watches the 2 older ones in the afternoons when they get off of school, 5 days a week, every day. And so I go and pick them up about 6 o'clock. So my day consists of get up in the morning, hurry, 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 get them on the bus, hurry, 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 get ready, go take the baby to my mom's, go to work all day, come to my mom's, pick them up at about 6 o'clock in the evening, and make the 20-minute drive home. Come home, make sure they get dinner, do baths, do homework, and all that good stuff, right? And then it's rush, 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 do homework, rush to eat, rush to get ready, and good night, go to bed. So the time that I do see them during the week, that's all we're doing is rushing around getting ready to do something. And then on the weekends, we get to spend, a little more time together and do stuff. But if I spend my whole weekend spending time with my kids, which is what I want to do, then nothing gets done around the house. So it's like this endless cycle of frustration and guilt. And so that's why I'm working to be a stay-at-home mom, so that I can work on the computer at home. And I'd be the one to be able to be there right when they get off the bus, and we could get stuff done earlier in the day, and then have the evenings to spend time together. And then I would have, more time throughout the day to get my housework and stuff done, when the baby's napping or even when the baby's playing. And then the weekends could be free for us to spend all of our time together and not have to do any housework and stuff. So that's why I'm working to be a stay-at-home mom. But the story I wanted to share with you was the last few weeks going to pick up the kids has been kind of sad for me. And let me explain why. Now, I'm very, very grateful to my mother for watching my kids, because if it wasn't for her, I would not be able to afford to go to work, because I wouldn't be able to afford daycare for 3 kids. It's just outrageously, crazily expensive. So, thank God for her. But every day, the last few weeks I went to pick up the kids, it's been, my mom has told me stories like, let me tell you something Rachel showed me when she got home from school, or let me show you something new that I taught the baby, that's Sarah. Let me show you something new that Sarah did. Oh, she said a new word today. And, months ago when she started walking, I missed her first steps. I missed first words. I've missed seeing homework papers, which I didn't miss seeing them. I saw them, but I was not the first one to see them. I was not the first one to hear the new words or to see the first steps. And it's just been getting to me more and more. Every new thing that I miss out on just makes me want to be a stay-at-home mom so much more. But my family can't afford for me to stay home. So that's why I'm doing work-at-home jobs in my spare time. Work-at-home jobs in my spare time to make the money and eventually replace my income so that I can stay at home. And when I say jobs, I don't look at Empower Network as a job because it's fun for me. I have seen blogs before in the past, and it interests me, and I love to write, so I thought this is something I could do. But then researching it, all the technical stuff that goes into doing a blog, I just never got started because it was just so overwhelming, and I just couldn't. I couldn't do it. I didn't have time to set my own up. So when I found Empower Network, it was the perfect solution. Not only did all the technical stuff get done for me, but I got to write like I love to do and share things like my kids and stuff, like Rachel in this video, who's now bored, I think, and looking around and waiting for me to finish. But anyway, the technical stuff is done for me. I get to write and have fun, and I also get to make money while doing it. So, it's a win-win, and it's going to be the vehicle that allows me to stay at home with my kids. I just know it. I don't know how to explain it, but I just know that it's going to work. I'm going to make it work. It works. I've heard stories. I've got so much inspiration from the people that I've heard that have been successful. So, you know, if you want to stay at home with your kids and get out of the 9-to-5 grind, like I like to call it, and not be stressed out like I am all the time and running around and never get to see your kids, you know, try out Empower Network. It's so cheap to get started, and in the long run, you know, just that little bit of money to free yourself and spend more time with your family is worth it. So click on one of the links. There's going to be a link somewhere around this video. Whether it's probably going to be under it on YouTube, and in the blog there'll be banners around the whole page that you can click on, or a link somewhere under the video. So, you know, give me a call or email me, and I'll let you know how it's working for me and get you started. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. You want to go turn the camera off? Go press that same button again, Rachel.